Wacker Neuson wheel dumpers DW10 and DW15 impress with safer, stronger performance than ever before and modern operating comfort. The layout is clear, intuitive, and timeless, while safety around the machine is ensured by bright signal colors, optimal all-round visibility, and easy-to-reach handholds. Thanks to their compact design, these dumpers fit into the tightest spaces, and their powerful performance ensures they master demanding tasks effortlessly. The proven operating concept allows for comfortable, one-handed operation, and an optional heated seat ensures a pleasant working environment, even on cold days. Test the DW10 and DW15 now at your local dealer.